Boys and girls, for tonight's homework, you're going to do 1 through 4 by yourselves. For number 1, you're going to solve these problems and write the sum or difference depending on the problem. If you need to draw a picture, draw a picture. That is always okay. Number 2 says, Jose has cats in his backyard, which shows how many cats Jose has. You are going to fill in the square showing how many cats Jose has. Don't answer yet, boys and girls. You're going to do this at home. Number 3, show the number 7 in the 10 frame. You may show it with circles, you may fill in the square, you may draw triangles, you may draw smiley faces. You're going to show the number 7 in the 10 frame. So figure out how to show 7 in the 10 frame. Number 4, Kennedy ate an ice cream cone. Use 2 shapes to draw her ice cream cone. So you're going to use 2 shapes to draw the ice cream cone. We are going to do 5, 6, 7, and 8 together now. Number 5, look at the farm animals. Use tally marks to show me how many. Everybody, how many pigs do you see? 3. Joshua, come here. Draw 3 tally marks by pigs. Good job. Do we agree or disagree?
Agree.
All right. How many chicks do we see? 4. Sterling, can you please draw our tally marks for the chicks? Right here on this line. Do we agree or disagree?
Agree.
All right. How many cows do we see?
1.
Very good, boys and girls. Thank you. All right. Do we all agree?
Yeah, the chicks have the most.
So we know the chicks has the most. And who has the fewest?
Cows.
How many more chicks than pigs?
4. 1.
1 more chick than pig, because there's 1 more chick compared to our pigs. It's a comparison. Number 6, use the tally marks from question 5 to create a T-chart to show how many farm animals there are. So we could do 3 by pigs. You could do 5 by chicks. I mean 4 by chicks. Sorry, that was Miss Breed's bad. And 1 by cow, just like that. If you understand, give me a thumbs up. Thank you, boys and girls. Number 7, look at the shapes. Use tally marks to show how many. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kaylee, can you come do our tally marks? Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and with the 5th we go diagonal. Do you agree or disagree?
Agree.
Very good job. How many hearts? 2. Michaela? Tally chart. Tally marks. Do we agree or disagree?
Agree.
Good. How many ovals?
4.
Angel Rose? Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Good. All right. Use the tally marks from question 7 to create a T-chart that shows how many shapes there are. So we're going to use 6 as an example. So we're going to say stars, hearts, and ovals. This time, and what would be a good title for this?
The shape
I'm hearing Astros. Astros is the title of our homework. Is that considered stars, hearts, and ovals? No. I'm hearing shapes. Are stars, hearts, and oval shapes? Yes, that would be a good title.
Everything is shape, actually.
Okay. How many stars did I have, Philip?
5.
Can you please write the number 5 right here for me? Just write the number 5 right there.
Wait, the number?
That's backwards. Write it the other way. Thank you. Do we agree or disagree?
Agree.
Judd, can you please come tell me how many hearts do we have?
2.
2. Can you please write the number 2 for us right here?
Yes.
That's backwards. Go. Do we agree or disagree?
Agree.
How many ovals do we have?
3. 4.
Courtney, can you please come write the number 4 for me right here? Boys and girls, it's okay to do tallies in our T-chart. It's okay to do numbers in our T-chart. Both are okay.
Let's see.